Hey everybody, Andrew here. Welcome back to the homestead. And I had to redo the watermelons. I put them down on the ground. What happened was I put them down too late in the season, and then the grass, which grows like, crazy here, simply outgrew them and covered them up. Usually what would have happened was they would have started growing, and then by the time the grass started, they would have had gotten a head start, and you would see them growing on top of the grass. For the past few years, that's how it was. But I put them down so late that the grass completely got the head start. Even though I had turned it over a little bit before I put them down, it was just not gonna go good. I kind of know it, but I put them down anyway. See that? Tall grass. It's okay. One of the reasons why I hesitate putting these down on the tarp was I was seeing a lot of this. They were going bad on the tarp. I was wondering if maybe the tarp just heated up, got hot, and that affected the melon. So far, this is the only one I see that's damaged. Oh, never mind, make it two. Oh, this is completely hollowed out. That's okay because the seeds are on the ground, so I will have melons here next year, life spear again. This is something I struggle with, insect and animals. Now, if I had planted watermelons a little earlier, it would look something like this, growing on top of the grass. Instead, it's growing in the grass with everything else growing on top of the watermelon. That's what happened when you plant late. That was my fault. I have other things to do. But either way, I might be grabbing a melon today, so let's see. I think I'm gonna take the moon and stars, which is gonna be this one right here. You can see the little moon and stars. Now I don't know what this thing is right here. So before, I would have waited a little bit longer, but before anything else, come and take this one. Let's take it. We're taking this one, moon and stars. We're gonna cut it, see what it looks like. We're gonna leave this one. I forget what this one is. We're gonna leave it. But for now, let's go sort out the moon and stars. Okay, so I got the melon on this table right here. As you can see, I have quite a bit of projects going on. All these are from cuttings. And everything, well, looking really, really nice. Now, I really take this melon today because I saw this spot. I don't know if this is normal, if that's the way it's supposed to look, but it's one of my best ones, and I don't want it to go bad. So I'm kind of jumping the gun on this one, I think, but I'd rather it not be fully ready than to lose it altogether. So I'm using one hand here, so let's see if we could get this thing cut. Oh, this is the moon and stars watermelon. Let's get it cut. Whoa. I don't know if I'm gonna like this because I don't like mushy melon. I like crunchy watermelon. Let's give it a shot. Not sweet. Juicy, but not as sweet as I'm used to my watermelon. But I think it's just about ready anyway. Good flavoring. And this is one of the reasons why I plant so many different varieties. Because I don't know which one I was gonna like. Some of them are new to me. But so far, this one right here, the Moon and Stars, I don't know if it's just not fully ready or what, but it's not as sweet as I wanted it to be. I've picked some in the past. In fact, I've been harvesting melon for about a month now. They're not fully ready, but when I'm outside and it's a little hot, I'm a little thirsty, sometime I run out of water, I just grab one, crack it open and eat it, and they're usually very sweet for melons that weren't ready yet. So I'm thinking this is just the flavoring of this watermelon right here. Don't know if I'm crazy about it, but I'm definitely gonna plant it again because I like the fact it's juicy and it's not mushy as I thought it was gonna be. It looks mushy, but it's not. Seeds. Juicy, kind of stringy. Now I'm wondering if, is it okay or is it busted? Don't know. But either which way, Moon and Stars. I'm gonna plant it again next season. In fact, I have it on the tarp for this season 2023, so hopefully all goes well. I'll have a better look at it, but for now this one, either which way, is going inside in the house unless no one wants it. Then I'm just gonna bring it outside, cut it up, give it to the dogs and the rabbits, and take the seeds out of it. It's another beautiful day on the homestead. This is how I do it. I don't usually plant things. I just come outside, and if I feel for something, I just walk outside and take it. Welcome to the homestead. So guys, if you like the video, hit the like button. If you like where the channel going, please hit the subscribe button. Let me know what you think in the comment as usual. And you guys have a good day. Bye.